Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you our future. Our future. Our future. Our future.
Welcome back to PhotoLive Expo 2026.
It's our 12th year.
And we're back at the Novotel all day from 9 to 5.
Lots of cool things going on. There's about 100 different brands from lots of different suppliers from all over Australia, right here in the main expo room. If you get down, you get to try all the latest gear.
The speakers room has 8 amazing speakers ranging from astrophotography, families, portraits, weddings, you name it, it's all there. And I'm the MC for the day, so I hope to see you there.
We've even got 8 amazing workshops. We've got video, we've got lighting, we've got a maternity workshop, we've got a newborn workshop with a 3-week-old baby. We've even got a panel discussion group this year where my brother and I will interview 4 photographers at the top of their game about the future of photography.
Don't forget as well, photo walks from the leading brands. Great day, lots of things going on. PhotoLive Expo, thanks for all your support.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Came here because I wanted to get a new lens for my camera for shooting interviews.
So I was just here just to explore, delve into my understanding of cameras.
I came here a few years ago, but I'm more interested in photography now. So I thought we'll venture out and have another look.
I'm finding it really fun. I did a video workshop this morning with Andrew and everything's been great so far.
We've had a lot of interest. A lot of young people are moving back into film.
I just think it's a wonderful sense of community, having everyone in one place who loves photography.
And it's really about having those great conversations about photography in general, which is great.
How many brands are here today to support this expo and you guys?
It's a total of about between 90 and 100 brands across a whole lot of different suppliers and manufacturers.
We have a huge range of Nikon products. We've got all our latest range of Z cameras.
We are offering half-price fine art prints, so a lot of people coming in with some images on their phones, some USBs.
Well, we've got a full range here. So we have our analog cameras, which basically from the Mini 13 all the way through to our wide. So that's a push the button, print comes out.
What do you think PhotoLive does for Fujifilm?
I think for us, it enables us to engage with our consumer through camera electronic, and we can work with our consumers and show all the different lenses we have available and everything like that, all the new products as well. So it's been really cool interacting with the customers.
We did a video workshop on particularly filming in low light, how to maximize what you can get out of your camera sensor with settings in camera, and a bit about post-production as well.
Camera electronics!
Future.
Very lucky to have Yo-Yo from Perth Film Studios with us. Yo-Yo, I believe you've got an amazing open day happening soon.
We do it being official yesterday morning, and on the 11th and the 12th of September, the Perth Film Studio is opening. So be there, it's going to be amazing.
Well, thanks guys. That's a wrap on another amazing PhotoLive in 2026.
I can't believe it, 12 years, everyone loves photography, loves videography, came down, supported us, our family business, Camera Electronic. Thanks, guys.
Thanks so much.
Future. 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 Future.